The UK's Northern Ireland Secretary has ordered an independent statutory inquiry into the Omagh bombing. On the 15th of August 1998, a car packed with over 200 kilograms of explosives killed 29 people, including a woman pregnant with twins, in the County Tyrone market town. It was the bloodiest single event of the 30-year conflict known as the Troubles, made even more shocking as it came just 4 months after the signing of the Good Friday Agreement, a major step forward in the Northern Ireland peace process. The families of the victims have spent a quarter-century seeking justice and answers over whether the attack could have been prevented. In 2013, the then Northern Ireland Secretary, Theresa Villiers, ruled out a public inquiry, saying there were insufficient grounds for a fresh investigation.
These allegations have been very extensively investigated by around 10 previous inquiries, and there's also an ongoing investigation by the Police Ombudsman for Northern Ireland. So in the light of that, I didn't feel that there was a justification for a further process.
That decision was legally challenged by Michael Gallagher, whose 21-year-old son Aiden was killed in the bombing. A ruling into Mr Gallagher's judicial review took place in 2021 at the Belfast High Court, with Mr Justice Horner recommending that the British government carry out an investigation into alleged security failings in the lead-up to the attack. The judge found it potentially plausible the bombing could have been prevented.
It's identified 4 grounds which gave rise to the plausible arguments of preventability. These relate to the handling and sharing of intelligence, the use of cell phone analysis, whether there was advanced knowledge or reasonable means of knowledge of the bomb, and whether disruption operations could or should have been mounted which may have helped prevent the tragedy.
The Labour Party has welcomed the announcement of an inquiry and has called on Dublin to start their own investigation.
Any Article 2 compliant inquiry should provide the opportunity to learn the lessons that will prevent similar tragedies into the future. The Republic of Ireland now has a moral obligation to start their own investigation.
Taoiseach Leo Varadkar has responded to Westminster's announcement, saying Ireland will not be found wanting in any inquiry into the Omagh bombing. It's been almost 25 years since that dark August afternoon, and today marks an important step in bringing the full facts of Northern Ireland's greatest ever tragedy to light.